The imperative of human oversight and accountability in AI usage. A core principle of responsible AI is a human-centered approach that empowers and augments professionals, emphasizing that AI technologies should be assistive, not autonomous. This means humans remain unequivocally accountable for all decisions and actions, even when those actions are assisted by AI. Consequently, all AI-generated material must undergo careful review, approval, editing, and thorough oversight by a human author before publication or use. A critical practical consideration is that many AI tools are not inherently encrypted or private. Therefore, proprietary data, sensitive information about individuals, such as students, employees, or patients, or any other confidential constituent data should never be entered into these tools, as it carries the risk of becoming public. Despite the impressive and growing capabilities of AI, the consistent and strong emphasis across multiple sources on human involvement, human oversight, and human accountability is not merely a technical recommendation, but a foundational ethical principle. It underscores that AI is a powerful tool to augment human capabilities, not a replacement for human judgment, ethics, and responsibility. The explicit warnings about data privacy and the potential for public exposure further reinforce the absolute necessity of human vigilance and control. For personal brands, this means that AI should be viewed as a co-pilot, not an autopilot. While AI can significantly streamline tasks and provide understandings, the ultimate responsibility for maintaining authenticity, ensuring accuracy, and upholding ethical conduct rests squarely with the individual. This approach preserves the crucial personal aspect of personal branding and effectively mitigates risks associated with AI errors, biases, or misuse, which could otherwise severely damage reputation and trust. Addressing biases in AI algorithms, content, and targeting AI systems learn from vast datasets, which, if uncurated, can contain existing societal prejudices and stereotypes. This can lead the AI to inadvertently perpetuate or even amplify these biases in its outputs. Common manifestations of AI bias in marketing include issues in customer segmentation, content generation biases, e.g., gender-biased language, cultural stereotypes, discriminatory ad targeting and pricing, and limited visual representation. To counteract this, marketing teams must thoroughly review all AI-created content to ensure it aligns with inclusive marketing goals and brand values. AI itself can be leveraged to detect language and imagery with the potential for bias, flagging problematic content for human revision before campaigns go live. Tools like TensorFlow's Fairness Indicators or IBM's AI Fairness 360 are specifically designed to check for skewed data and algorithmic bias. The available information clearly articulates a critical challenge. AI models, by learning from historical data, can perpetuate or even amplify existing biases. This is a significant ethical and practical concern. However, the same AI technology can be paradoxically used to detect and mitigate these biases and even actively ensure representation of a diverse set of demographics. This presents a powerful duality. AI can reflect societal flaws, but when used responsibly and intentionally, it can also become a powerful tool for fostering positive change and greater inclusivity in marketing. For personal brands and marketers, addressing AI bias is not merely an ethical consideration, but a strategic imperative. Ignoring bias risks alienating significant audience segments, damaging brand reputation, and potentially leading to legal repercussions. Actively working to identify and mitigate bias in AI-generated content and targeting is crucial for building trust, fostering loyalty, and ensuring that marketing efforts are genuinely inclusive, equitable, and effective. It positions ethical AI use as a competitive advantage, ensuring data privacy and responsible data handling. There is a significant gap between marketers' adoption of AI and consumer trust. A striking 57% of consumers report having little to no trust in brands to use AI responsibly, and over 3/4, 76%, lack confidence in the data privacy of AI, representing a substantial 41% drop since 2024. This highlights a critical disconnect that brands must address. The entire life cycle of AI, from initial training to ongoing deployment, is inherently dependent on data. This process can inadvertently expose individuals' personal information, whether from proprietary customer records used in training, sensitive information submitted to a chatbot, or usage logs that inform model updates. Consequently, it is paramount to protect AI models that may contain personal information and to rigorously control what data is fed into the model in the first place. Many regulatory frameworks globally, including GDPR, explicitly mandate that organizations adhere to strict privacy principles when processing personal information. The stark contradiction between rapid AI adoption by marketers and deep consumer distrust, particularly regarding data privacy, reveals a significant trust deficit. This deficit poses a major barrier to the widespread acceptance and long-term effectiveness of AI in marketing. The information underscores that this is not just a perception issue. There are real technical and regulatory challenges associated with data privacy throughout the AI lifecycle. For personal brands, this means that while AI offers immense efficiency and personalization benefits, neglecting data privacy and transparency can severely erode audience trust, which is the bedrock of personal branding. Brands must proactively communicate their data practices, prioritize privacy by design in their AI implementations, and potentially opt for AI tools that explicitly state they do not train on user data by default. Building trust through responsible data handling is as crucial as the AI's capabilities themselves. Navigating copyright, plagiarism, and authenticity challenges. A significant concern with AI-generated materials is their high probability of inadvertently capturing or infringing upon the copyrighted material of others. Consequently, marketers and content creators must diligently review and, where necessary, modify AI output to meticulously avoid plagiarism and ensure originality. The legal landscape is evolving, and potential legal difficulties, including intellectual property, IP issues, and libel, are real concerns, especially if companies input proprietary data into public AI tools. Furthermore, there is a risk that over-reliance on AI can weaken community bonds and originality, potentially leading to the proliferation of recycled or generic content. This could make it harder for creators to build genuine, unique communities around their personal brand. AI's ability to generate content at scale presents a powerful opportunity, but is coupled with significant risks: copyright infringement and a potential dilution of originality and authenticity. This creates an authenticity paradox. Personal branding thrives on uniqueness and genuine connection, yet AI, if unchecked, can produce generic or derivative content. The legal implications regarding IP and fair use are also clearly emerging and complex. Personal brands must prioritize human creativity, originality, and unique understandings, using AI primarily as an assistant for ideation, efficiency, and scale, rather than as a primary content generator. Transparency about AI usage is crucial for maintaining audience trust and avoiding legal pitfalls. This reinforces the principle that AI augments, but does not replace, the indispensable human element in creative work and authentic brand building. Promoting inclusivity and ethical branding with AI offers powerful capabilities for promoting inclusivity in marketing. It can precisely identify and segment diverse demographic groups based on factors such as age, gender, ethnicity, and location, allowing for a deeper understanding of their unique needs, values, and preferences. This granular understanding enables the crafting of tailored, authentic, and highly relevant messages that resonate with specific communities. Furthermore, AI can refine ad targeting algorithms to ensure that campaigns reach diverse audiences without reinforcing harmful stereotypes, actively mitigating biases in ad placement. It can also assist in discovering new social media influencers who genuinely and authentically connect with underrepresented communities, thereby broadening a brand's reach and impact. Beyond merely detecting and mitigating bias, AI can actively promote inclusivity. By enabling precise segmentation and targeting of diverse demographics, and by identifying influencers who genuinely resonate with underrepresented communities, AI can help brands move beyond tokenism to foster stronger, more equitable connections. This shifts AI's role from a potential problem, bias, to a powerful solution for ethical and effective marketing, aligning business goals with social responsibility. For personal brands, this means a significant opportunity to build a more inclusive, representative, and socially conscious online presence. This not only expands their reach and appeal to a wider, more diverse audience, but also enhances their brand reputation and fosters deeper loyalty based on shared values. It positions ethical AI use not just as a compliance measure, but as a strategic advantage for brand growth and positive societal impact.